Alright, Brewer, welcome back to another edition of the Trade Update. Let's go over the current positions, starting with ES. Now, I don't really trade the futures options much, but I had put this on last night when the futures began ticking because I noticed a breakout above the trendline resistance on the hourly chart. So I sent out a tweet mentioning how if the strength continues, it's possible for us to rotate to the other side of this large balance area. As we know, balance rules suggest that a move back into balance area should see price explore the other side of balance. Now, I don't know when that will happen, but my guess was that because a lot of shorts are going to be disappointed that they weren't able to get the move lower, it's possible for the market to go up fast enough to the other side of balance sometime this week. So I put on the 3420, 3460, 3480, 132 butterfly expiring on Wednesday for a 55-cent debit. Now this translates to 27.50 per spread because, as you know, the deltas in ES options are halved compared to that of SPX. So cutting 55 cents in half would be 27.5 cents or 27.50 per spread. With that said, today we saw some pretty bullish internals as the market digested the large gap up. And look at the price action today. I think we closed relatively strongly. So now we'll just see if we can make it to the other side of balance. Now, if we're able to get some spread expansion, I'll be looking to roll that 34.20 call up a bit to 34.25 or even 34.30 to collect some credit. And I'd still have a pretty large profit zone to work with coming into expiration. Of course, I'll be taking on more upside risk from that adjustment, but I think it'll be hard for the market to come up from the lows and just continue charging higher and breaking through the upside balance in one fell swoop. I think the market should provide some resistance at that level. Keyword should. Alright, and the next trade to go over is Amazon. Here I have the 3300, 3350, 3450 call broken wing butterfly, which was put on for a slight credit. Today, Theta worked nicely to drain those 3350 short calls, even as Amazon moved up. So this was really great for the position. The spread actually expanded from the time when we put it on for a credit to now roughly $1.40, so almost a $2 gain on that position per spread. So I did take a bit of the position off to harvest some of the profits, but I'm leaving most of the position on still. I think there is opportunity for the spread to expand greatly into the rest of the week, especially given the amount of resistance above us, which should slow the roll. Again, keyword should. Obviously, if it explodes way higher, you know I'll be adjusting. Alright, so that's basically it for the positions today. As you can probably see by now, I don't put on a lot of positions at a time. You know, I'm not really a fan of trade small, trade often, or any kind of portfolio management strategy that involves spraying on a bunch of trades. I think it's worth sticking with just a few, basically sniping really great setups, really great trades with great profit potential, and managing them the best that you can. Alright, as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and feel free to join us by checking out the links to our Twitter, Discord, and Twitch down in the description below. It's all free. We share our thoughts on trades, setups, entries, exits, all that good stuff, all that good commentary, and all those good vibes. But for now, stay safe, Brewer. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.